Welcome to JHart Modelworks. Are you tired of sanding tires by hand to remove the dreaded mold line from the center of the tire? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly, easily, and cheaply build the tire jig that I use to put my tires on a drill and sand them down in seconds. Welcome to my workbench. Let's get started. Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks, coming to you with a video on the tool that I use to chuck tires up into my drill so that I can remove the mold seams off of them and weather up the tread, make them look like they've been driven on. This is, like I said, it's a really cool tool. I've found it really useful. I did not come up with this. I like to give credit where credit is due. I don't know if Matt created this or what, but I got this idea from Matt over at Model Car Videos. Someone was asking me about this and I couldn't find Matt's video on it to send them, so I figured, what the heck, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my own. It is a tool that you have to make yourself, but you need like one tool to do it. You need a drill and a specific size drill bit, and all the materials for the tool are less than 10 bucks total. So if you and two other friends each throw in $4, you can you'll end up with enough materials to make 3 of these, and you'll each end up with a tool for about like $4 with tax. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around and we'll show you how to make this tool. All right guys, let's go through all the materials and the tools that we're going to need to make this little tire jig. It's super simple. You don't need a lot. You need 4 things that come from 2 places. They are super cheap. And then you need a drill and a specific drill bit. So like I said, all these things are super cheap, and I'm going to put links for everything down in the description. So if you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you, you can just click the link, order it online, and have it shipped. The very first thing that we need, this one comes from Hobby Lobby, are these wooden drawer pulls. And you need this specific drawer pull. It has to be this one. This shallow little mushroom top is what makes this tool work. You get 6 of them in a pack. Currently, they're listing them for about $2.49 for a pack. I don't know if the wood section goes on sale like the models do, but if so, you may be able to get them even cheaper. So we need those first. We need 2 of these. The next thing we will need is a number 10 machine screw, 3 inches long, from Home Depot. You can get these like, they come in a pack of 3, which is perfect because you get 6 of the drawer pulls. It's like $1.40 for 3 of these. The next thing we need are 2 of these little brass number 10 washers. These come in a 10 pack, again, $1.40. And we need 1 more matching number 10 hex nut. These only come 4 in a pack, but you only need 1 each. And again, they're $1.40. So that's all the materials. As far as tools go, we need a 3/16" drill bit. You need a cordless drill. Well, not a cordless drill. You need a drill. If you are using a cordless drill, I recommend making sure your battery is fully charged because these are hardwood and they take a while to drill through sometimes. And lastly, you need some patience. All right, step number 1. This is the hardest part of this entire process. The very first thing we need to do is we need to drill a 3/16" hole all the way through this drawer pull. Now it's already a 3/16 inch, so that's awesome. We already have a guide. We just need to finish drilling it all the way through. Now, the things that you need to do is you need to, 1, take your time with it, do it slow. 2, make sure that you go straight through the end. Do not tilt or wiggle the drill bit, because if it comes out off to the side, then it doesn't work and you're down one of these drawer pulls. Now the way I like to do it is I like to start drilling, drill for a little bit, then pull it out, let some of that wood come out, and then start drilling again so that we're not packing up this whole thing full of wood. There we go. You just got to do that twice and we're good to go. All right, so we have two of these here. I only have one that isn't already used because when I made mine, my first one, I came out off the side. That's how I know about, don't come off the side. So you definitely want to make sure you're perfectly centered when you do these. So we're just going to use one of my other ones for an example. I'm going to take your machine screw, put one of your washers in. You want to put the first one of these in place with the flat end first. You'll then put your next one on round end first, so the two round ends go together. Next washer, and your nut. That's it, guys. We are done making the tool. Now that I've shown you how to make it, let's show you how to use it. Take off your washer and your nut and the first of your drawer pulls. We then want to grab a tire. Put your tire in there and you want to try to kind of get it as centered as you possibly can. Add your other little pull right there. Snug it down. You don't want it to warp the tire. This is a real soft tire, so you want to make sure it doesn't like bow or bungee anything. Put your nut on. Just like that. Now you have a small little end here that we can chuck up into our drill. I know HPI guy uses a socket. I don't know what he's using as an adapter to get it into the drill. I ain't got one. This was pretty simple to do. Next thing we're going to do is get a rough grit sander. I'm going to use one of these 180 grit display sanders. One nice coarse grit. And that right there, my friends, is just how you do that. It is that simple. So there you go, guys. That's the tool. Super cheap, super simple, easy to use. Like $4 for one of these. Again, like I said, I did not invent this. I got this tip from Matt at Model Car Videos. Matt's link to his channel will be down in the description. Give Matt a visit. Check him out. He does some great videos. He does some great builds. His whole family builds. He's got like his wife builds, Ruthie, his daughter builds. Some great people. I've hit him up for some advice as well, and he has always been super helpful, really nice, down-to-earth guy. Give him a check out. Give him a sub if you're not already subscribed. I don't know how you wouldn't already know about Matt, but go ahead and check Matt out if you haven't. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, give me a comment down at the bottom, maybe like the video. If you're not a subscriber, a subscription would always be nice. It helps the channel, helps me to bring you other tips. Let me know that I'm kind of on the right track. But as always, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I appreciate you very much, and I will catch you on the next one.